Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Taylor and today we are doing yet another fun advent calendar unboxing. I'm loving these and it seems like you guys are too. So today we are unboxing another UK box that I got from across the pond, and that is the FeelUnique box. Now this was on the FeelUnique website that I ordered a few weeks back. This one actually took a little bit longer to come into me, and I believe this one was around $85. I'll leave the price right here for you guys to be officially confirmed, but this one actually was not quite as expensive as I thought it would be. I found this one on a couple of different advent websites that was highly recommended and really liked by a lot of people, so I had to try it out and unbox it for you guys. So today that is what we're going to do. So obviously the FeelUnique is a pretty large box for pretty standard advent calendars that I've received so far this year. It has this really beautiful striped purple, bluish, navy design on it with the red hearts all around. I think it's super cute. To me, this doesn't read as the most festive holiday box, but I do like it. I think it's really pretty and maybe fun to display if you wanted to show off your advent calendars. So without further ado, let's go ahead and dive inside the FeelUnique advent calendar. Not gonna lie, this is not easy to hold this way, but I did want to show you guys the inside of the box. You do have obviously all 25 of these boxes kind of scrambled together, and you can see the middle one is of course the biggest, 25. I do enjoy this one having full 25 boxes. I know some advent calendar boxes only have 24, so I do enjoy this one does go all the way up to 25. So with that being said, I am going to change the angle for you guys and go through everything in the box, all 25 boxes. Alright, so as you guys can see, this is a pretty full big box sitting here on my lap, so hopefully you guys are able to see all of the boxes. But going through, let's start of course with number 1, which is down here at the bottom, and this one has a Emma Harding Moisture Boost Vitamin and C Cream. Super great. I've never actually tried anything from Emma Hardy before, so I'm actually really excited to give this one a go, and it's a pretty substantial size too as well for a kind of moisturizing cream, which is great. Next we have box number 2, which is right here, and in box number 2 we have a Charlotte Magic Serum Crystal Elixir from Charlotte Tilbury. So again, a brand I've never actually tried before, which is super exciting, and I'm really intrigued to see what this one actually does. I've heard nothing but amazing things about her products, and this is again a really substantial size for what you get typically in an advent calendar. Like, you could definitely get a pretty good amount of use out of something like this, which is great. All right, next, moving on to box number 3, which is down here in the corner, we have a pretty large, again, sample of shampoo. Awesome. So this is the, I know I'm going to mispronounce this, so I apologize, the Feka Brilliant Gloss Shampoo Moisturizing High Shine. Please let me know how to pronounce that down in the comments below. I do apologize. But yeah, I love getting shampoo samples because I feel like that's not typically a thing you see in an advent calendar box. Let me know if I'm wrong, but I do enjoy that, which is great. And it seems like a pretty universal type of shampoo as well, which is great. Okay, next we have number 4, which is a Neom Organics London Calming Hand Balm. So organic hand cream, which is great. Again, I love these really substantial kind of deluxe sample sizes, which is really great because it's stuff you can use up in a pretty good amount of time and not something that's going to go to waste or, you know, be kind of sitting on your vanity for forever like some of my products sometimes do. All right. Next, we're moving on to box number 5, which is a pretty large box, and this, oh cool, this is the Rhode Isle Vitamin C Energizing Face Mask. So that's really great. I'm a huge fan of face masks, and this one looks like a very brightening type of mask, which I really, really enjoy for dark spots, so definitely love that. Next, for box number 6, which is a little bit smaller over here, we have This Works, what are you? Oh, deep sleep pillow spray. Awesome. So love a good pillow spray. This is probably more of like a lavender type scent, I'm assuming. Let's give it a smell. Oh yeah, very strong lavender scent for sure. So love it. And I've actually tried stuff from this works before, so really excited about that. Sorry if that was not in focus. It's a little bit small of an item. Next, box number 7, down here, we have another mask. Oh no, we have a Sunday microfiber velvet blender. Like, cool. So a little like kind of dupe beauty blender type sponge. Let me know down in the comments below if you guys have tried this before and if it's any good. Really enjoy that though. That's a really cool tool to have. Sorry if I'm going through the boxes a little bit quickly. I do want to get to all of them in a pretty relatively quick amount of time, so apologies on that if it is a little speedy. So for box number 8, up here at the top, we have a Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Water Mist. Oh wow, okay. I've never actually heard of this product before. I have tried several things from Saint Tropez and I do love them as a tanning brand, but I've never tried this Purity Self Tan before. Interesting. So again, as always with these products, let me know if you guys have tried them before, if you guys think this is good value. I'll let you guys know down in the comments below the price point versus value for money for this box. I do think with what I've seen so far, it's a pretty substantial amount of product that you're getting for, again, I believe around $80, which is really nice. Okay, box number 9 up here at the top, we have, oh, jeez. We have Grown Alchemist Biological Beauty Polishing Facial Exfoliant in Pink Grapefruit. This is an Australian brand, it looks like, which I love. Oh, okay, cool. Oh, this is really nice. This is one of those metal kind of containers. I think probably just a squeezy tube of exfoliant. So that's really cool. Again, really loving the product size of everything you're getting. It's not dinky. There's really hasn't been anything so far that I've seen that I wouldn't use. Or wouldn't be interested in using. So that's awesome. Okay, number 10 is right here. And in number 10, it looks like we have an Aveda Smooth Infusion Style Prep Smoother. So I think this is a hair treatment, it looks like. Yeah, I believe, yeah, hair treatment. So really cool. Again, a pretty universal product, I think, for a lot of people, which is really nice. Again, with some of these advent calendars, you'd hope that they would kind of be appealing to multiple types of people, skin types, stuff that's very universal for obvious reasons, very inclusive. And so far, from my knowledge, it seems pretty good. Let me know if you guys agree, disagree. All right, number 11, we have a jar, and this is the Ilamis Pro Collagen Rose Cleansing Balm. Okay, so I've actually heard of the Ilamis cleansing balms, and I heard that people really like them. I will be honest, for me personally, I'm not a huge fan of cleansing balms. I don't know, let me know, you other contact wearers, do cleansing balms work for you? Because they do not work for me. So I do enjoy that. That's a really good size product, but for me personally, not my favorite product of the bunch. Okay, moving on to number 12 is a big box over here. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is Advanced Ceramide Capsules Daily Youth Restoring Serums from Elizabeth Arden. Okay, cool. So you've got this little jar vial of these little poppable serums, which is really cool. I'll be honest, the like child in me loves these kind of poppable things you can kind of mess and squeeze with. I'm an adult, I swear. But yeah, that's a pretty cool item, I'm not gonna lie. All right, moving on to number 13. I saw it, here we go. Number 13, this is a, oh wow, okay, so this is a candle. And this is a Urban Apothecary London Fig Tree Candle. How cute is that? It's so teeny, but it's so cute. I love that. Oh wow, and this smells, okay, this is gonna be a really weird comment to make and I apologize, but this smells like my guy that I'm dating. I know that's so weird to say, but it kind of has a sexy man smell. I know that's so bizarre, but the guy I'm dating definitely wears a cologne like this. or something very similar. That's so funny. So yeah, it definitely has kind of a more naturey, musky type of smell, and I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoy this. That smells great. Okay, next for box 14, up here at the top, we have another tall item. This is the, oh, okay, I know what this is. This is an Essence Lash Princess Volume Mascara. Now, I will be honest, I've tried one other Essence mascara and it was Smudge City for me, so I'll be interested to try, I believe it was the green tube, so I'll actually be really interested to try this pink tube and see if it makes a difference. I'm a pretty big fan of mascara. I'm actually not going to open it, actually thinking about it, because I'm probably going to save these items for closer to the holiday season to actually use them. So I'm going to keep that closed. But yeah, that's awesome. And that's a full-size mascara as well too, which is pretty great. Okay, moving on to 15, down here in the opposite corner. I will say as well, I really love that they have these with reusable boxes. The ones that are kind of the tear open tabs kind of bum me out a little bit because obviously you're not able to reuse the container. Not that I necessarily would reuse this container, but it feels like you're getting a little more value for money. You know what I mean? Okay, so in here it looks like we have another face mask, and this is the Beauty Pro Thermotherapy Warming Gold Foil Mask with hyaluronic acid and Q10. Awesome. So I've never actually tried a warming mask before. So what I really enjoy about these advent calendar boxes too as well is you're getting a lot of things that maybe you wouldn't normally be exposed to, which is pretty great. So this is super nice. Gotta love again, a great facial mask. It's one of my favorite things. So I like that they've included it rather in a couple of these boxes. Okay, moving on to 16. Where is 16? Down here. So it looks like in 16, we have something from NARS, and this is a high pigment long wear eyeliner. Awesome. So I love a couple of things from NARS, but this looks like, let's see, what color are you? Black? This just looks like a basic black liner. Pretty straightforward. Love a good black liner. I don't know if you guys have tried very many of the NARS liners. Let me know if you guys enjoy them down below, but I've never heard a bad thing about a NARS liner, so pretty happy about that. The other thing too that I really am enjoying, I will say about this box, is it's a very nice mix of really high-end, middle round, and like drugstore type products as well, so it feels like you're getting a very well-rounded type box. It's not all one or the other, which is good, especially for the price point. It kind of helps round things out a bit for me. Okay, number 17 we have right here, and this is a Laura Mercier Pure Canvas Primer. So this, I will say, looks like, oh, that's still, okay, wow, great. A really still pretty substantial size of primer to try out. Seems really great. It looks like it's a newer product as well. You guys could let me know maybe again down in the comments below if it is a newer product, but that's really great. Love that. So I do like that even when you're getting something that's a sample size, for sure, it's a substantial sample. You know what I mean? All right, next, moving on to 18. Here we go. This is, okay, so this is a pretty basic, I feel like, inclusion in maybe a couple of advent calendars I've seen in the past. Just, I think because this is such a staple product, I think for so many people. This is the Purity by Philosophy One-Step Facial Cleanser. I've used this for years. I love this. This is a pretty decent sample size, I will say. And yeah, pretty straightforward and a pretty great, I think, as again, universal type of product. All right, 19 is up here. This is a Coco Cabana cream from Wanero Soul. This looks like lotion. Let's give it a sniff. Oh, and it's tabbed shut. Like I said, I'm not going to open it simply because I want to kind of save the quality of these products for a little closer to Christmas holiday season time. But look how cute that jar is. I love that. And again, pretty solid, substantial size as well, which is great. All right, 19, now we're moving on to 20 down here, and this is a Terry Lip Care Baume de Rose. So this looks like a lip mask. Oh my gosh, this is the tiniest little container, but look how cute. I'm a sucker for really tiny packaging like this, I'm not gonna lie. That is adorable. Look how cute that is. Ooh, and it smells like rose too. You know what it reminds me of? The smell of one of those fresh lip balms. You know what I'm talking about? that's what that smells like to me. Love that. My lips have been so chapped and dry lately from this dry weather. Can't even begin to tell you. All right, number 21 we have up here, and this, oh gosh, has a lot of like fluff in it, but this is the Tan Luxe The Face Illuminating Self Tanning Drops in light medium. Okay, so this is interesting. Again, not the most inclusive product. I really enjoy the size. Facial tanning products for me are usually something I try to stay clear of just because you never know how they're going to turn out, and this isn't a brand I've heard too much about, so let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. I'm not really a fan of the light medium coverage of this, but again, I think people kind of just, I don't know, but let me know what you guys think of this down in the comments below. It's a pretty good size, I will say that. Okay, number 22 is up here at the top, and in here we have a Nux Rive de Meal. This is a ultra comforting face balm. Nourishes, repairs, and soothes with honey and precious oils. So face moisturizer, I'm just gonna say, again, very substantial size, pretty great, I'm not gonna lie, and you never really can have too many face moisturizers. Pretty self-explanatory. I do apologize if I'm butchering all of the names of these. Please forgive me. Okay, box 23, moving right along. We have another brand that I'm pretty familiar with. This is Origin's Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to Clear Pores. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a huge charcoal pore mask fan, so this is something I'm definitely gonna get a lot of use out of. Again, really great substantial size, really great product. Again, pretty middle of the road price-wise, so it's been a nice mix of product price points, which is great, so pretty excited about this. All right, last two boxes. We have number 24, which is right here in the middle, and this contains the Saturday Skin Bright Potion Probiotic Power Serum, which, first of all, I love the Hyro packaging, holographic, there we go, holographic packaging, really pretty. And again, yeah, something I think that could work for a lot of different skin types, a lot of different people, really enjoy that, and the packaging is very nice. All right, my friends, we have done it. We've made it to the last box of the FeelUnique Advent Calendar Day 25. Inside, we have a really full box. So pulling out what we've got, there are 3 products in the last day. This is pretty exciting. So the first thing we have is a Huda Beauty Ruby Obsessions face palette, this looks like. Oh, wow. Eyeshadow palette. Look at that. That's really pretty. I've never really tried many of the Huda Beauty products before, but I hear really great things, and that color palette is actually really speaking to my soul. I love a good red eyeshadow, so I really like that. And I feel like for the holiday season, red is always a pretty festive kind of color, so that is great. Next, we have the Zoeva Luxe Crease Eye Brush. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. So the nice thing that was, or good and bad, I guess, was there weren't too many tools included in this box. So this looks like a really great universal fluffy type blending brush, which again, I think would work for a lot of people. It's a really great travel size. And I love the Zoeva brushes. I've had a few of them before and they've been really great quality. So really like that. And the last thing it looks like we have in here is the Morphe Eyelid Primer in Translucent. So again, something universal that could work for a lot of different people, a lot of skin types. And once again, a really substantial, this actually might be full size, you guys let me know, eyelid primer. So awesome, really, really love that. This is a really, really great last box. Alright friends, so I hope you enjoyed my unboxing of the FeelUnique 2020 Advent Calendar. I'm super excited to play with this box when the holiday season comes around. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it so I know to do more Advent Calendar unboxing for you guys. Subscribe to see more of my face, and I will see you guys in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye!